Hi YouTube, this is Tara and welcome back to my channel. Okay, I don't have much storage on my phone, but I do have a package here, and one of my packages is being sent back because of the address that's incorrect. Okay, and let's see what we got. Okay, so, okay, the first thing I see, oh my God, is, I hope everything is okay because this is cool, but it's not real cool, and it's been sitting outside, so let's go ahead and, I guess we're going to have to open this to make sure it's okay. Oh, God. Oh, I'm trying to cut it open. We're going to have to make sure it's okay. Now, it's still kind of cool, but... Ooh! Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Look at my hand. This didn't do well. So, yeah. I had ordered the Seamoss, as you can see, and I'm not sure so y'all heard that? Yeah, it's all in my hand. So yeah, we're not gonna eat this. And it's all spilled out in this little packaging here. And it had a little thing on the inside. Can y'all see it? It's supposed to keep it cool. Yeah, I'm gonna have to contact them and let them know that this didn't travel well, and I was so anxious to try the Seamoss. Hold please. Okay, so I had to go and get something. Yeah, you guys, it's a mess. You can see it all down in there. Seamoss, pineapple flavor. I ain't gonna touch it no more. I'm gonna contact them and let them know that happened. So, and it had these two. Okay. And I don't remember reading anything about it cannot stay outside until you get home. I'm going to have to go to the website and read it and see. And so then I also bought these, which this is how many capsules? 60 capsule. They will buy one get one free, and I believe they are still buy one get one free. So this one right here, let's see, it says 2 capsules. Okay, so yeah, rice flour, vegetable cellulose, and all that. It's supposed to be good. It says, yeah, Okay. So I guess you take, suggested for dietary supplement, take 2 capsules once a day. For best results, take 20-30 minutes before a meal or as directed by a doctor. Now you would have to go to like a homeopathic doctor or some type of doctor that deals with herbal. But 20 to 30 minutes before a meal, it says to take these. So this is my initial reaction, I guess, unboxing of the Seamoss, because I'm gonna have to I'm not gonna open both of them. I'm gonna have to let them know, hey, my Seamoss is sealed. I'm gonna take the seal off. It has a light smell herbally. And what y'all can't see, y'all see it now, the little Stay Fresh pack thing. It's on the inside. So, yeah. You can see them better. Y'all, I'm getting... So, you take 2 of these 20 to 30 minutes before a meal. Right? So, let's say if I eat breakfast at work, which I usually do, then I will probably take 2 of these before I leave home. And then when I get to work, eat breakfast. Or when I get to work, take 2 of these. And then when I get ready to eat my breakfast, wait 20 to 30 minutes. So yeah, it's 60 capsules. And this is what they look like. Okay. And transformation was on the Shark Tank. So let me know if you guys have tried this Seamoss before. If you tried one of the jellies, which unfortunately, and I couldn't wait. I got the notification, y'all, saying that it was here, and I called my daughter because she doesn't live too far from her apartment. So I called my daughter and I said, hey, if you go home on your break, check and see if I got a package. But I didn't tell her to open it and look at it and see what it is, because I think I have another one